Koda mano wadhi nyime kama kambi ndeke mar piny Belgium Brussels Airline ochako kendo wuodhe ma achiel kachiel kowuok e piny Belgium nyaka e boma ma Nairobi. Tok weyo wuodhno kuom higni 9, Brussels Airline oduogo kendo ka obiro bedo kod safar achiel ei juma. Jagoro mongirore Julius Bitoka karwako ndege no e paw ndeke ma JKIA owacho ni wuodhno ojiw kod okang' mar piny Kenya manokawo mar wito oko wach visa ne welo madonjo pacho ka kanyakla kod bedo gi boma ma Nairobi tudo pinje Afrika.
At Brussels Airlines, you know that Africa is really at the heart of what we do. We serve 18 sub-Saharan destinations from today onwards, so we're very proud of that. And actually, in many of our destinations, the personal interaction, so visiting friends and relatives, plays a great role. But I think for Kenya, it's a lot more on top. So you've established a wonderful touristic brand, actually. So many people come here for their holidays, and we would like to also contribute to that.
I want to say that this country is safe, this country is beautiful. I want to call upon all tourists around the world to come to Kenya. Kenya is a great country and it's a country of great opportunity. And I want to once again thank Brussels Airlines and Lufthansa Group for choosing Nairobi to be your destination.
You are all aware, as a country, we recently signed the EU agreement, trade agreement with the European Union, which is a great milestone. And it is a country of plenty. We have the best beaches in this continent. We have the best game parks in this continent, and I think the CEO is here of tourism, and we have almost everything. So you're welcome.